Hi, welcome back into this SCHEMATIC channel. The topic of this video: how we can download and install the Visual Studio Community software. So let's start this video. You need to be open any kind of browser. And then search with the Visual Studio Community and open this first link of the visualstudio.microsoft.com. So I try to put that link in the description so you can directly access it. So before we start this video, I just want to tell you what is the difference between the Visual Studio Community and the Visual Studio Code. The Visual Studio Code is the lightweight and the Visual Studio Community is the full IDE. So now this is the Visual Studio Community. Click on this download button. So thank you for downloading Visual Studio. This web page is open and you see your Visual Studio setup.exe. It's downloaded. This is the Visual Studio setup.exe. So run as administrator here. Click on continue. So first of all, getting the Visual Studio installer ready. Right now you can choose the workload. So you can choose according to your demand or which thing you need. So there are the different workloads which you can simply click on it, then they just to be added into the installation, or maybe they need to be downloaded. Okay, so if you don't click on it, then just be Visual Studio Core Editor is installed, which is the 2.43 GB. Okay, and now into the installation location, I just change the product installation from clicking on it, and then I change the download cache from C to E. By default it choose the C folder. If you don't want to install this thing into the C, maybe you choose some workload packages like this one, which is the roughly 20.93 GB space you needed. So maybe in the C you don't have so much space, then you can choose it from other, or maybe if you need multiple one, then you click on it and then just be space, and the installation file is going to be bigger and bigger. So right now I'm just uncheck it from here, and I just check this Python development also. Okay, just for more understanding to you. And then after that I just click on install button here, and then they say me starting downloading operation, and after that they start the installation. So it's doing it parallel. Okay, now our installation is completed. So there is the message for restarting the window, so we do it later. So click on OK here, and I go to click on this launch button for running the Visual Studio Community. So there is the option for sign in to the Visual Studio. So if you don't have account, then you can create account with the Microsoft GitHub or create account button here. Otherwise you can skip it for this step. You can choose from dark or light. I choose a dark, and click on this start Visual Studio. So Visual Studio 2026 get started. So there is the option of create a new project. After that they ask me which application there is. I can choose from different languages. If I say Python, then the all Pythons. Platform, if I choose the platform like Windows, and project type if I want. So now I say that this Python application for Windows, and click on next here. Write the name, location, and after that click on create. Now the Visual Studio Community project is opened here. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for the next time.